Hey guys, welcome to another exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, we will create this sign-in page. So let's get started. First of all, let's create a new folder. Let's rename it to sign in. Just sign in would be good. Let's right click and open with code. So we will use feed for this project. So let's write npm create feed @latest dot to install the files in this folder. Let's select React, JavaScript, and after that let's write npm install. It will take some time. Let's wait. So it has done installing all the files, and let's now run npm run dev to start our development server. So open this up in your browser and you will see something like this, which is the default feed template. We'll delete everything, don't worry. Let's go to the source file, and on the app.jsx let's delete everything. We will create const app is equals to an error function and return a div for now, hello world, and export default app. Let's see how it looks. So nothing, just hello world. We'll also delete everything from the index.css. Save it. Here you go. Everything is gone. The style and the background color. Now we will use Tailwind for this project, so we need to install it first. Let's stop our development server for now. Control C, our Command C on the Mac to stop it. Let's go to the Tailwind web page, search for feed. In this page, install Tailwind CSS with feed. You will find the commands that we need to install Tailwind in feed project. So let's copy this first line, paste it, and enter to run it. Now we have the necessary modules. Next is we need these two lines as well. Let's copy and paste, enter. It will install Tailwind for us. Also it will take some time, let's wait. It's done. We also need 3 more lines. This tailwind config.js, just to copy it. Now you have a folder, you have a file called tailwind config.js. Open it up, Control A to select everything, delete it, and paste the code that we copied from Tailwind website. Now save it. After that, last step is to paste these 3 lines on our index.css. Let's copy it, go to our index.css and paste it, and Control S Let's check it. Oh, we need to run our development server npm run dev. Now go reload. As you can see, the font style has been changed, different typeface added. So our Tailwind installation is successful. Let's close everything up and now start with our project. First, let's return a main with a class name of width full h100 viewport height bg no repeat and bg cover. Now in the description of this tutorial you'll find the assets that we need, the logo and the background image. You can just download it and paste it in the assets folder here. So let's do that. I'm gonna select the asset folder and Ctrl V to paste those BG background image and the logo, which is an SVG file. You can get it. You can get both the files on the description. Now after that, go to your tailwind config.js file. In the extend object, write another object background image. We will call it hero and the URL is going to be /src/assets/bg.png. Now we can use this hero image anywhere in our project. Let's give it here bg-hero. Now let's see if it works. There you go, perfect. After that we will create some components, two actually, the hero and the form. Let's create a folder in the source folder, right click, create new folder, components. I misspelled here, let's rename it components. Now right click, create a new file, hero.jsx, RAFCE. You can use a extension called React snippet to generate this. Now let's import the hero and let's see. We don't see anything here because there's nothing in the hero, just a div. Now let's style our hero section. First we will import the logo and the background. No, not the background, just the logo. We'll call it logo from /assets/logo.svg. Now first we will return a section with a class name of container. Make sure you spell that correctly. mx4 extra large screen, mx auto, max width screen, URL items dash center flex justify between. In the section, let's write an image with a source of logo. Alt name, give it site logo. Height of 40 and width of 40. Let's check it. Here we go. Perfect. So after the logo, we will create the nav bar. Create a nav tag with a class name of page 100 pixels flex row gap of 10 item center Z50. We will also give it an ID of navbar default. Inside the navbar, we will create a div with a class name of width full, medium block, medium width auto. Inside the div, let's create an ordered list with a class name of flex, gap of 5, extra large screen, gap of 10, margin right to 10, extra large MR0, font medium, text white, text extra small, Excel text 16 pixels. Nothing will show yet. Inside the UL, we will create some list items with a class name of hover text 2 hashtag 56 ccf2, this cyan color. And inside the li, let's create an anchor tag href hashtag. The first one is going to be courses. Now copy and paste 4 times. 1 2 3 4. Second one is going to be downloads. Third one, pricing. Next, sign in. And the last one is going to be a button. We'll say try for free. Now the last one will have some extra class name. Let's delete it first. We'll make it a button. So let's not do that. Let's give it the anchor tag, class name of bg, same color as this one, Control C, text to black, py to px5, font dashed bold, rounded, hover, bg white, transition all, and hover text to with cyan color. Let's see how it looks. Perfect. As you can see, this is a button. It it is not going anywhere because we didn't provide any links. Now our hero section is done. Let's create another component of form.jsx rafce. Delete the first line, we don't need it. Import it on the app form. Now let's design this form. First we need the logo as well. Import logo from /asset/logo.svg. We will return a div here with a class name of container mx auto, margin top of 8 rem, width to 500 pixels, height to 500 pixels as well. In the extra large we will give it a width of 550 pixels, extra large height of 550 as well. And flex column gap of 10, extra large empty of 28, medium empty 0, justify center, items center, bg hashtag 4040825, bg opacity to not 080, backdrop blur, relative border dash gray 50 by 20, rounded to XL. Let's see how it looks. Nice. We'll delete this text. After that, inside, first thing we will put the logo, source of logo, alt text, site logo, height of 50, width of 50 as well. Here it is. Now after that we'll give it a h. After that we will create a h3. We will say enter your email, give it the class names of text 24 pixels, font dash semi-bold, text white, margin bottom of 2. And after that create a key tag with a class name of text 16 pixels, text white, and we will say we will send you a link to login. Let's check it. Perfect. Now after this, let's wrap this p and h3 in a div. We'll give it a class name of text dash setter. Now put this two element here. Perfect. Now the gap is working correctly between the image and this div. Now after this div, let's create another div with a class name of flex column text center item center with full gap of 7. Inside the div, let's create an input with a type of text, placeholder, email address, or enter email address, whatever you want to call it. Next, give it some class names of width 70%, padding 3.5, rounded large, bg-gray-700, border gray of 600, placeholder gray of 400, text white, focus on focus ring blue 500, also focus border blue 500 as well, not 50, 500. Let's check it. Perfect. Now after the input, we will create our sign-in button with a bunch of class name. Look, first let's give it a type of button, class name of text dash white, text dash 20 pixels, font dash semi-bold, bg dash gradient dash bg gradient dash 2 dash right. We'll create a gradient button. So this is how we will create a gradient on Tailwind. First you define the direction and then the color from hashtag B01EFF and 2. The other color is E1467C. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it's not showing because we didn't write the text sign in. There we go, this is the gradient. Now we'll give it some padding and roundness. Let's give it a padding X to 14, padding Y to 3.5, same as the input, rounded dash 10 pixels, hover text. Now we will give it white background color when we hover, so we can just, if we write text dash white, it will not work. See, we have to put the gradient on the hover effect as well. Let's copy and paste and change this color to white, from white to white. Let's write hover and hover here as well. Let's check it. There you go. Now let's give it the text color to this. Give it this color 5345F. Sorry, 4F5, and we'll also give it a transition duration of 300. Let's see how it looks. Nice. Now after this div, let's create another div. We will give it a class name of text center font semi-bold. Inside that, create a p tag, class name of text dashed 16 pixels, text white, margin bottom of 2, right, don't have an account. Let's see, works perfectly. Now after that let's create another p tag with a class name of text 16 pixel as well. Text color is going to be 56CC F2, cursor to pointer, and right try for free. Let's check it out. Here we go. Perfect. Now let's check the responsiveness. As you can see, we have reduced the font size as well as the button size here, and we kept almost everything the same. Just center it, give it some margin on the top. There we go. This is our final designed sign-in page. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and share your thoughts and feedback on the comment section, and give it a like as well. Thank you for your time. See you soon.